there is a possible collaboration with a world-class celebrity.
Hello?
Have you seen the video of Martika and Jessie?
Of course, because it was my idea. It's for our PR. Maganda yan para sa kumpanya.
It's good for the company, but not for me, Miss V.
How can this help me? Pag nalalaman na ng ibang tao na a well-known beauty influencer that is established, okay?
Eh, nakikipaglaban sa isang nobody. Ano na sasabihin ng followers ko?
Alam mo, Shari, all you do is whine and complain. Why don't you just do the task? Unless alam mong hindi ka mananalo.
Natatalo ko siya.
Kung magaling ka, then prove it. You're not gonna be threatened by just nobody. Get Tara Park's approval and win the task.
After all of these years, I'm still nothing to you. Hanggang kailan ko ipaprove yung sarili ko sa'yo. Rule number 6. When I'm not feeling well, I need the entire room.